Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a boombox with just using toilet paper rolls and a tissue box. You can also use a paper towel roll cut in half. Okay, so we're going to put the toilet paper rolls like this onto the tissue box, a little bit far apart from each other. And I'm going to use a pencil and outline the bottom because we're going to be cutting here. So I'm going to do that. It'll be easier for me to cut it with the outline here. Alright, so now I'm going to get scissors, puncture a hole in the middle, and cut a hole. Alright, and then I'm going to put the toilet paper rolls inside the holes like this, and your boombox is almost pretty much completed. I decorated mine to give it some little extra character, as you can see here. You can decorate it any way you want, the box or the toilet paper rolls. Alright, now I'm going to be using a boombox, but if you're using your phone, you would want to put the tissue box upside down like this. You would put your phone and outline it like we did the toilet paper rolls with a pencil, and you would cut a slit there to put your phone and insert it into the box. Alright, it's time to test it. It almost sounds like a 3 or 8D. It's really cool. Alright, and if you even want more of an echo effect, you can put it on upside down so it covers it entirely and all the sound is just coming through your homemade speakers, like this. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this, please go ahead and leave a comment and let me know how it went. I'd love to know. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks everyone. Bye!